guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'm showing you guys one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. You could do it for the culture with your baby hairs, but this hairstyle right here is perfect when you're having a bad hair day, a failed wash and go, a failed twist out, bantu knot out, flexi rod, anything. If you are struggling with your hair, you can throw it in this top knot ninja bun and it will look bomb.com. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so today I started off with stretched hair. I did blow dry my hair before doing this video just because I wanted a nice sleek bun. I've done this plenty of times with wet hair, so you can definitely use this gel and use this hairstyle with wet hair or dry stretched hair. Alright y'all, so here you see me just lathering that gel on my edges and brushing it up into my ponytail. So I do it with a loose bun first, so I can go ahead and lay my edges first, and then I go back and brush it into the actual ponytail so it can be tight and secured. And so you just want to make sure you're brushing your hair really good and really sleek so it can lay flat in your top knot. Now here you see me separating my hair in two parts, and I'm going ahead and braiding that down, and I'm just doing a loose braid on each section of the hair, and I'm not securing the ends because I will go in and fluff out the braid. So here you see me fluffing out the bigger braids, and then I am going to fold it in half and then bobby pin the end of the braid. This will be the height of your bun, and so you just want to bobby pin this down. Next, you're going to use another bobby pin to put in the middle of your bun, kind of as a stake to enforce your ninja bun because you want it to stand tall and not be leaning. And here I'm fluffing out the second braid and then just wrapping it around the base to create the base of the bun and bobby pinning it down. So this is what the bun looks like, and then of course you can't leave it like that. You have to do your baby hairs, and here I'm just applying a little bit more of that Don't Shrink gel from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils collection, and I'm just doing my baby hairs a little bit fancy and extra today because we're going to do it for the culture. And then with any sleek bun, you know you have to wrap your hair to lay it down. So I'm just taking this headband hair tie and wrapping it on my head. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? This is like my favorite ninja bun slash top knot, but I put a different twist on it. I usually do a two-strand twist, but this time I did a braid, and I really like how it turned out. I'm trying to make y'all see it a little bit better. It looks so beautiful. I love how I did my baby hairs. I just wanted to do it for the culture one time. This look is very versatile. You can wear it going on a day date. You can wear it if you're going out at night. Pair it with a nice little smoky eye. Pair it with some hoops for a pool party. It's very versatile. So make sure you try out this hairstyle. It's super easy. And make sure you also check out the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, because this gel is bomb. Like, my hair is not moving, it is laid to the gods. And this gel is actually really good for wash and goes. I've used this gel before doing wash and goes, and I just didn't want to do another video on my wash and go routine because it's pretty much the same. So I figured I'd show you guys how this gel could be very versatile in your hairstyling process. So if you need a sleek bun, honey, top knot, low bun, anything, make sure you check out this gel because it will lay your hair down and it will slay your edges. So make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.